guys, this is Rob from Classic Car Living, and today we are here at Deering Estates in Miami with their annual car show on the Bay. We got cars starting from the teens up to the 60s, a bunch of beautiful cars you've never seen. So let's go check them out.
So check out this 1911 white Touring. It came with a 4-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine with 30 to 40 horsepower with a 4-speed transmission, and it was available in both gasoline and steam powered. This 1928 Chevy Coupe, it featured a 171 cubic inch, 35 horsepower, 4-cylinder engine, and a 107-inch wheelbase, and mechanically activated 4-wheel brakes. It has a 3-speed manual transmission and was the last Chevy to use a 4-cylinder engine until 1961. This 1931 Ford Huckster was a light delivery truck which was built on the Model A chassis. It usually had a wood body. It featured 40 horsepower, inline-4 engine, and a 3-speed manual transmission. The 1930 Dodge 6 was a lighter, faster model with a 189.8 cubic inch L-head straight 6 engine that produced 61 horsepower at 3,200 RPM. It had a 109-inch wheelbase and a single-plate dry clutch and a 6-volt electrical system. It was equipped with 4-wheel hydraulic brakes and double-acting hydraulic shocks. The 1930 Ford Model A, it featured a 201 cubic inch 40 horsepower inline-4 engine, a 3-speed manual transmission, and a top speed of 65 miles an hour. The price was approximately $530 brand new. This 1930 Roadster featured 40 horsepower, 201 cubic inch inline 4-cylinder engine, and a 3-speed manual transmission. It had 4-wheel mechanical drum brakes, top speed 65 miles an hour. In 1931, this Model A featured 200 cubic inch, 40 horsepower, 4-cylinder engine, and a 3-speed manual transmission. It came with 4-wheel drum brakes. Also, top speed 65 miles an hour. This 1931 Victoria is a 2-door sedan. It had 201 cubic inch, 3.3-liter, 4-cylinder engine producing only 40 horsepower. It featured 3-speed manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a wheelbase of 103.5 inches. Top speed also 65 miles an hour with a whopping 30 mile per gallon efficiency. This 1933 Tudor had a 75 horsepower flathead V8 engine with a top speed of 80 miles an hour. It included a cast iron block, aluminum heads, and a stronger ignition system compared to previous models. This 34 Plymouth Deluxe sedan included a 201.3 cubic inch L-head inline-6 engine producing 77 horsepower, or 82 horsepower with the aluminum head option, a 3-speed manual transmission, and an independent front suspension. It had hydraulic drum brakes and a wheelbase of 114 inches. Now this beautiful 1940 Willys sedan had an L-head 4-cylinder engine producing around 60 to 63 horsepower, a 3-speed manual transmission, and a top speed of about 65 to 75 miles per hour. And it featured a 104-inch wheelbase. Check out this 1950 Plymouth P20. It was part of the Special Deluxe line, and it was equipped with a 217.8 cubic inch flathead inline 6 engine producing 97 horsepower. It was connected to a 3-speed manual transmission. Its key feature, it came with independent front suspension and a 118.5 inch wheelbase. This 1953 Buick Special Riviera had a 263 cubic inch straight 8 engine producing 130 horsepower with a Dynaflow automatic transmission, and it was 205.9 inches long and 76 inches wide. This 55 Buick Century featured 322 cubic inch, 5.3 liter V8 engine, producing 236 horsepower, 122 inch wheelbase, and it weighed around 3,805 pounds to approximately 4,300 pounds, and a top speed of 110 to 116 miles an hour. It was available in 2-speed automatic Dynaflow transmission, had drum brakes. Check out this Ford Fairlane 1955. It has a wheelbase of 115.2 inches, has a standard 223 cubic inch, 3.7 liter inline 6 with an optional 272 cubic inch, 4.5 liter V8 engine. It was available with 162 horsepower or 182 horsepower Power Pack version with a 4-barrel carburetor. It included a 3-speed manual or the Ford-O-Matic automatic. This 1955 Chevy Bel Air featured 256 cubic inch V8, available in 162 or 180 horsepower. It included a 12-volt electrical system and a 3-speed manual or 2-speed automatic transmission. This 1955 Packard Clipper featured a new design. With an overhead valve V8 engine, it included a 320 cubic inch V8 with 225 horsepower in the standard models, or the more powerful with 352 cubic inch V8 with 240 to 275 horsepower in the deluxe, super, or custom trims. It also had a 12-volt electrical system. The 1956 New Yorker featured 354 cubic inch Hemi V8 engine producing 280 horsepower. It was paired with either a power lift 2-speed or a torque flight 3-speed automatic. It had a 126 inch wheelbase, weighed about 4,360 pounds, and went 0 to 60 in 9.2 seconds. Check out this 57 Chevy Bel Air Resto Mod. This guy obviously did a really nice job on the custom engine. Paint job looks amazing. It's just gorgeous. Now this 57 MGA featured a 1,489cc engine with twin SU carburetors producing 72 horsepower in the 57 models. It was equipped with Lockheed hydraulic drum brakes on all 4 wheels. Its top speed was 98 miles an hour and 0 to 60 in 16 seconds. This 57 Volvo featured a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder B16 engine with a 3-speed manual transmission and produced 70 horsepower. It's a unibody construction with hydraulic drum brakes, a curb weight of approximately 21 to 2,200 pounds, and top speed 84 miles an hour. This 1958 Triumph came with a 1,991cc 4-cylinder engine that produced around 95 to 100 horsepower. It was paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, often with an optional overdrive. It featured the front independent suspension and a live rear axle, front disc brakes, and a wide front grille. The 1960 Jaguar had a 3.8 liter and had a 220 horsepower engine with a top speed of 125 miles an hour. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 in 8.5 seconds. There were other models like a 2.4 liter, 120 horsepower. It came with a 4-speed manual or automatic transmission, and it was known for its 4-wheel disc brakes. This 62 Cadillac, which is for sale, if you guys are interested in purchasing it, let me know and I'll get you in touch with the owner. It has a 390 cubic inch V8 engine producing 325 horsepower and was available with hydromatic automatic transmission. Its length is 222 inches with a top speed of 120 miles per hour. It came with power steering, power brakes, a heater, and it was the first car offering cornering lights. The 1962 Corvette featured a 327 cubic inch V8 with multiple horsepower options. It included a 102-inch wheelbase, fiberglass body, 3-speed manual transmission with 4-speed manual or 2-speed automatic as options. Has 11-inch front and rear drum brakes. This 1963 Chevy Corvette Stingray was powered by a 327 V8 engine with a horsepower ranging from 250 to 360 horsepower. It included a 3-speed manual transmission, while optional transmissions were 4-speed or 2-speed automatic. It also came with independent front and rear suspension, a ladder-type frame, and a choice of rear axle ratios. Now check out this 64 Rolls-Royce Phantom. It's a V8 power luxury limousine with a 145-inch wheelbase. It included a 6,230cc V8 engine, automatic transmission, and a powerful servo assist drum brakes. This 1964 Volkswagen Type 2 was powered by a 1200 or 1500cc engine. It included a 4-speed manual transmission, a 6-volt electrical system. Look at this condition, it's absolutely gorgeous. The 64 Thunderbird included a 390 cubic inch V8 engine producing 300 horsepower. It was paired with a 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. I did a video on this car. The interior design was based on like an airplane cockpit. It's a gorgeous car. It has a wheelbase of 113.2 inches and an overall length of 205.4 inches. The 65 Chevy Corvette Stingray came with several V8 engine options, ranging from a 327 with 250 horsepower with the top of the line 396 cubic inch, 425 horsepower. It includes a 4-wheel independent suspension, a choice of manual automatic transmission, and they came in coupe or convertibles. The 1965 Ford Mustang has a wheelbase of 108 inches with a curb weight around 2,700 to 3,000 pounds. This beauty comes with a 289 V8 engine. You can get it with 3-speed manual or 4-speed manual or automatic. If you had the 289 Hypo, it went from 0 to 60 in 5.2 seconds. So the 1962 Studebaker Champ pickup included a 259.2 cubic inch V8 engine with an optional 170 cubic inch or 245 cubic inch. It came with a 3-speed manual or optional 4-speed manual or automatic transmission. It had a half-ton towing capacity. It's 180.7 inch in length and weighs about 3,075 pounds.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and come back next week for new videos. Till next week, take care.